Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add GIF in Slack. To first open up a new browser, then search or type in giphy.com on that new tab, and now you could see anything or pick anything on this website. So there's a ton of GIFs to pick from right here. So let's say I want this one. So just click on that GIF that you've chosen. Then once you're done with that, you need to download or right click on the GIF right here, and then click on save image as, and this will pop up. You just need to click on save right here, wait for it to download, and once that's downloaded, go back to Slack, click on the plus button right here on the message, so it's the attached one. Click on it, then click on upload from your computer, then click the GIF that you picked earlier, click on open, wait for it to load, then click on send, and boom, it's out there. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.